Hello everyone, this is Melissa's math story. Melissa the banker helped Mrs. Smith get a loan so Mrs. Smith could purchase a new car. It was a 4-year loan with a 5% interest rate. The loan was for $20,000. At the end of the 4 years, how much interest will Mrs. Smith have to pay back? How much overall will Mrs. Smith have to pay back? So really here we have two questions. The first question is how much interest, and then the next question is how much overall. Let's work on this. There's an equation. It's interest equals principal times rate times time. The interest is the extra money that a person will owe. The principal is the amount of the loan. The rate is a percentage, and the time is how long you have for the loan. So, we need to calculate the extra money by looking at how long the loan will be, multiplying that by the percentage, and multiplying that by the principal. So for this problem, the principal is $20,000. That's the amount of the loan. The rate is 5%, and the time is 4 years. When you work with a decimal and a percent, you need to first convert the percent to decimal by dividing by 100. That means you go twice to the left. 5%, move it twice to the left and you get 0.05. 0.05 is the same as 5/100, and that's the same as 5 over 100. Remember, percent is some amount over 100, so 0.05 is the decimal that we want to use. And then we'll multiply that by 4, and we'll also multiply that by 20,000. And that will give us the total interest that Melissa will owe. No, not Melissa, Mrs. Smith. So let's do our calculations over here. So let's do 20,000 times 4 first. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and an 8. So 80,000. And now let's do 80,000 times 0.05. Looks like 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a 40 with 2 decimal digits. 1, 2. So there's $4,000. So she owes $4,000 of interest. So that's our question here. She will need to pay back the principal amount also. So principal plus interest equals the total amount that she'll pay back. So $20,000 is our principal. So let's add that to 4,000 for a total of $24,000. So if you think about that, she's only getting the benefit of $20,000, but she's paying $4,000 to get that benefit, to get that money that she can use later. Thanks for watching.